Let's go.
First one of the year, but it has this weird stuff on it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's like allergy. I don't know what it is. Not too big, but it's nice.
Lucy just hooked up. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna pull this thing out of the net. But first,
This is probably the biggest one of the year.
well, no, my other one was bigger.
But
Yeah,
Lucy's third of the year. We're just fishing off the dock with the
nice sunset.
beautiful sun.
There we go. Definitely a little different than Brooks's, but that's a nice one. Oh, I hooked them good. If you need these,
Pliers?
I need some pliers. Alright, Lucy can stop.
Here's the release of Lucy's fish.
Come on.
Come on, man.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Oh, she said
All right.
Brooks. All right, guys.
Show the
Video.
release.
Yep.
That's all.
So let's get this going.
This guy's more alive than the last fish. That's Lucy's.
All
All right. And what is that? How many fish do you have this year now?
3.
No. 4.
Four. Yeah, 4
Lucy's,
fish a year.
that's Lucy's 4th fish of the year. If she catches one more, that's her 5th. And she's gone fishing only like 3 times or 2 times.
She's got 3 today.
Yeah.
All right, so she got it. Let's go get
2.
another one.
Yeah. Okay. Lucy just got her 4th of the year, so pretty nice. Oh, did I just cross your line?
Guys, honestly, we didn't really know how good the lake was going to be this year.
I thought it was gonna.
Got one.
Lucy's on. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Lucy's 5th. No way. I just asked if I could go over there. Here, I'm gonna.
That's a little bit. That's a lot more big.
Oh my gosh, it's big. Okay, guys, let me finish reeling. Oh, it's big. All right, I'm gonna stop the video.
You got the hook out for us, though.
Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it on.
Go. Woo!
Let's go. Lucy's 5th. It was probably 30 seconds,
This one's definitely
wait,
a lot
what is
more
it? Does it
chunkier. Look how chunky.
but it does have like the dots on it.
Yeah, it
It's
doesn't.
not bad though.
But here we go. That's what we got.
Might have little disease.
All right.
Can you see the? Yeah, that's the chunkiness.
Woo!
So you want to get a pick with it?
Yep, we're gonna get a pick with it.
Okay.
Holy, this is
All right.
beautiful.
I'm gonna stop the video. Okay, now Lucy just got a new bait. We're probably only gonna get the fish for like a few more minutes because the sun's pretty much down. It just got really dark. Like it was just a few seconds. Now we're in the shed. Oh, my bait just came off. My bait just came off. In the tree. Right there. I'm gonna go and try to get it.
Did they put their new jacket over there?
I'm gonna go and try to get my bait in there. Alright, I'm gonna go and get it. It's in the tree. Okay. It's right here. I'm gonna try to get it. Oh. I got it. Yeah. Lucy, I got it. It still has the leader and everything. I think it was because of the line. The line wasn't braided. But we're on a grind tonight. First time with this camera thing, it's giving us luck. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video, but we'll put this one into the video probably because I got bait. Alright, I just got him on hooks. I gotta release him quick because he's bleeding. We might go up soon, but we might try to get him. What do you think? Yeah, that's pretty nice. Wiggled it.
I know, I kind of wiggled it off.
I think you wiggled it closer.
Yeah, I wiggled it
Jay, why did you cross my line? Oh, fish. I'm on. Yep. Yep. Yes, I'm on. I'm on, Jay. Oh, yeah, it's big. Yep.
Alright.
Got this on the... Watch out. No. It's a fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Woo! Oh, no, it's small.
That's big. That's good.
Nice.
Let's go.
Okay. I'll get the hook out really quick. Alright. I'm gonna get this thing out. No, no, let's keep it on further.
Alright.
Okay. Lucy, you can hold it. I can get it out. Jay, can you give me the pliers?
Alright. Let's go. Alright.
Dang it. Get on the side.
Fourth fish of
The video.
The video, so
This
yeah.
might be the one that we caught ice fishing.
Ooh.
Oh, no. Jay, I need the pliers right now.
I'm just gonna grab those pliers. Alright, that's a nice one. Nice and thick.
If we can't get this out in a few seconds, like 20 seconds, we're gonna stop the video.
Yeah.